Homestead. Another project going on. Turn my phone around here and show you what I'm into today. Bench that I built, I don't know how many years ago, quite a few, and it was looking a little worse for wear, so I have brought it into the shop, and as you can see, started sanding the seat on it, and I started off by pressure washing it. I won't do a whole lot to the legs holding it up, but I just thought I would share this with you as I go along and work on it. Okay, we're into the next day. Came up to the shop about 5 o'clock this morning. This is one of my favorite times of day. I've been an early riser since I was a kid, and I guess that's why my job suits me so well, because I usually go to work, get up about 4 and be at work by 5. So I got to do some more sanding on this bench. Had one piece I had to glue. Let me flip this around real quick. These grooves and these voids in the bench cleaned out real good yesterday. I see I got a few more fibers in there. I need to just slide a piece of sandpaper in there and clean that up. Had to glue a little piece down here on the end. I think I'm going to give it a lacquer finish. Okay, I've got first coat of lacquer on it. And with that fan running, it's drying pretty quick. And I will probably get a second coat on it this morning. Probably before long, the way it looks. Kind of damp outside. But anyhow, that's my progress so far. Hey, day 2. I'm going to flip the phone around and show you what I'm doing. Then I'll have to flip the bench over and show you what I did on the opposite side. This again, one more thing that I got working in the estate sale. I've taken this where I know that some of these voids on the other side go all the way through a little bit. And these are just over a couple of knot holes. So I'm going to flip this thing over. I will show you real quick. When I set these logs, I went around with a router and cut out after I traced the shape of the log so that this would set down in there a little better, a little more stability. All right, let me flip the bench. Okay, so I did decide to go with a blue pigment in the casting resin. And down here, this really had no place to stop. And I had just put a piece of duct tape across there to stop it. I'm going to leave that there so it'll work like a dam, because this one's still a little shallow. So I'm getting ready to mix some more and do some more pouring on this and see how that turns out. This would be the largest resin pour I've ever done. Okay, here's just a quick video of the progress on this. I have to let this dry, get my bench rebalanced, and fill up a little more. Early Saturday morning, and I have just finished putting the third coat of lacquer on the bench. You can see how wet it is looking back in the light. But all in all, I'm really pleased with the blue resin fill. Shows up through the bench. That right there I had to use to hold some of the resin back. But I'm happy so far. Probably not much to show you from here on out, so hope you've enjoyed this short vlog. And remember, be a blessing in somebody's life.